Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode. Now, haven't quite settled on a title for this series, but we'll figure that out. Need a pick. I'm gonna go mining this episode and hopefully get enough resources to start doing stuff. Actually, let's make a little. Pathway. Cut up course. There we go. Okay. Just found the mountain. Why I go backwards like this, I don't know. I just like it better. Do I have any stairs? No, I used them all, didn't I? All what I should have is plenty of slabs. Or at least a few. Not really giving into aesthetic here, I'm just going along. But then again, there is nothing more permanent than a temporary, so long as it works. Might actually have to. And I hope I'm lined up. Yep. Hiccups. Should have recorded my Terra Firma Craft sessions. There's all kinds of path making. Expert. Just building roads that mostly nowhere, but and then for the rest of this, let's just kind of do this. So yep. No, this isn't quite the cave yet. Here it is. This leads perfectly down to the area I like to be in. Oh no! An enemy! Oh gosh, that's a lot. Okay. Okay. They're all kind of fighting each other. There we go. Just let this play out a little bit. And now it's gonna change target, hopefully. There we go. And we kill the last one remaining. Although I'm quite bad at PvP. Let's get some coal. I don't... Actually, this can be used for iron, I believe. I do not believe it is as bad as a... But heck, I believe it is on the level of a stone. So... should be able to use this for iron mining, hopefully. I don't know, can it be used for copper? No, okay. Only good for coal. Well, doesn't have much durability, so that was a waste there. It's quite fast though. Brought this down here specifically to be a crafting tables. Might as well make it into one. Oh no. Redstone computer. What even use for that is there for survival? Can make them quite powerful, but also have to be quite slow. By that, referring to the fact that you can make one with minimal materials as a 16-bit system, or a hex system, but because they use comparators and other machinery, they do take a bit of a time to process, but they are more compact and just better. Hex computers, that is. Definitely more natural, I'd say. Yeah, I do have a design for one. There is much that needs to be done before we go there, though, so we'll see. Perhaps a computer could be used to create automatic algorithms that, predict when certain resources and resource farms should be prepped. So, like if I use a certain material and like a lot of it, but it's like a predictable pattern, then I could use the computer to automatically predict that and set up the farms ahead of time of when I actually need the resource. Because without that, you'd simply just be having farms that would just automatically churn on and off whenever a resource was low, but then you'd have no buffer. It wouldn't be efficient. You might be able to use a computer for something efficient like that. We'll put that one up on the drawing board. Ooh, redstone. No. Nope. We need to now diamonds. Let's go. Although I don't have much use for diamonds as of now. Nether. We need to go to the nether. No, what I really quite want is redstone. Should make a witch farm actually, now that I think about it. I need to find a swamp first though. Okay. Have enough for a furnace. Well, let's begin. The other thing computers are really good for is just like mini games and art, so you can hook up a computer to a map art generator. Even use that as a display if you so wish, but that's only really useful if you have friends to do that with. Hmm, this is more, besides, my idea is more technical. We have enough iron. We actually had enough for a while. Here we go. There we go. And there was nothing more. Oh, there's some more over there. We don't have to get those diamonds immediately though. We can get the closer ores. No need for rushing. Still, it is quite annoying that these new updates only leave one diamond. Usually in these caves, it is definitely balanced, but it's not fun. What we would want is to find an aquifer then, because they will spawn in full veins in aquifers. Although, same can be said for lava pool. Or, you know, just strip mine, but that's kind of tedious. Getting out of the way here. Or rather, going the wrong way. Going too far? I suppose you understand what I must mean. You have enough for leggings now. Well, this is a disappointing pit, I do have to say. I'm gonna try to run up to that other one. The one we saw once before. Actually, hold on. I should make a shovel. And a bucket. I don't know why I said shovel there to begin with instead of bucket. Probably because making a shovel was kind of in the back of my mind ever since we broke it trying to make the pathway earlier. I think we... No. But we have mined this area out. We have been here. Should look for andesite. I think there's some over there, but no, that was just gravel. I must... Oh. Wondering why there weren't any mobs, and lo and behold, these guys. Oh, able to kill it. Goodbye. Now, we come from here. The other way we do usually go is up here, I believe. Should be a rather expansive cave down here, or, although we do need some water. Do need some water down there. And some up here, though. I think though the water up here is what I used to get all the way. I know it's perfect. Going. If I had hit that, that would have been awesome, but I didn't, so. Right. Music's finally come on, so I don't have to hum to myself. We have sticks for. No, we don't have sticks for torches, unfortunately. We'll make this quite dark. It's fine. I know my way around usually. Finding a mine shaft for a wood would be quite nice down here. And let's go back up. There's some andesite. Ah! Yeah, it was bound to happen. Eventually, I should take the rest of this wood out. Actually, we should use the jungle wood. That's what we should do, because it's quite a bit ugly. Oh. Go. Where's... Oh, there you are. Oh, closer than I thought. A little scary. Too bad. Oh, come on, just... There we go. Torches were more important than health at the moment. Oh, okay, I'm really struggling there. I couldn't tell I'm not much of a combat-oriented kind of guy. My rap to fight. Combat does not excite me. Just put it that way. No value in it. Stupid squids. Oh dear. Okay, well look, they're gonna fight now. Okay, okay. There we go. Eventually one of them is gonna kill the other one. Clever solutions as those is how I generally prefer to handle my conflicts. As long as it is that they're not bothering me. Can't make a parkour jump for the life of me. I should heal up a little bit. Probably not the best place to put that torch, or at least efficiency wise, but I don't care. About 30 more to Or through. Maybe later I'll put create in the mod pack. Actually, this isn't a mod pack at all, is it? Maybe have some performance bot mods for, like, you know, FPS, but not really modded. Just mostly fixing Mojang's stupid coding problems. Oh, this is a iron ore vein here. That's good. Give us a lot of iron. I've never actually found a diamond ore vein, and I'm starting to believe they don't exist. At the very least, they must be very, very rare. Let's get some iron. I think 16 is probably fine. Unless I'm going to devote all my time, I don't generally like mining out those veins. Oh, lovely. Pretty sure that's a spawner over there too, so great. Hello. I think this is where you're gonna end up. Dude. I'm pretty sure this is what we have to get rid of. So the guy doesn't spawn. Hopefully. Ooh, a geode. How lovely. Geodes are rather pretty, so we'll definitely have to mine that out later. Little tangent down here. You know, like a side tangent. Nothing. I probably can't see anything right now. There's nothing down there. There's some rotten flesh I can eat. There we go. I guess it's time for us to ascend here. Let's get back up to this main area. Now, how must I return? I was just checking on something. Surprised we haven't found any more diamonds. If we could get one more, we could get a pick and then, well, that would be pretty nice. I'm pretty sure that's another ore vein. Redstone. It seems like we can mine. Sorry. Seems like we can mine that top one there. Ran right over some iron here. Although, Not too interested in getting too much more of that. Later in the world, I'll just have to make a tunnel bore, and that'll make getting iron all that much more easier. Now, where in the heck did I come from? Oh, friends, I might be lost down here. That is not agreeable to me. Okay, let's just kill him. Yeah. Oh, there's some diamonds up there. Oh, that guy's been attracted to me. Whoop whoop, hot single thieves in your area. Actually, I should be pillaring up to next time I get into a situation like that. This is agreeable to me. Even some redstone over there. Hey. Still, what I gather here is nowhere near enough for any good stone contraptions, or maybe a door. Oh, actually, I have 2 stacks, which probably could be enough for even my simplest machines. There we go. Now, I have a theory that the exit is over there. That we went the wrong way coming out of that cave, but I don't really mind exploring this area. Actually, I do. Oh, there's redstone there, so. Okay. Perfect. Every Minecrafter must know the ideal distance to detonate a creeper at. Although gunpowder is desirable. So sometimes doing that is not the most ideal solution. I will tell you what is. Alright, now they can't hit me. And well, a lot of times I still can't hit them either, but that's a skill issue. Alright. Oh, that still hurt me a little bit, but only a little bit. Tolerance that is acceptable. As long as I don't get hit by a skeleton here. That would be rather unfortunate, and our exit is right here. Which is rather fortunate. I was looking at the footage from the last video, and I do have to say I am quite pleased with how my microphone pass turned out. I had a fan running in the background and I couldn't hear it. I'll have to check more of it, see if I can hear it at all, but yeah, I don't know, it appears to have worked rather well. Also, nice bit of diamonds over there. Be able to make some gear out of it. Copper is also something I should collect, but only if I'm specifically going after it, as it does take up a bit of inventory. I still haven't taken up any andesite, even though it's all over down here. It would be nice to have a tunnel bore, but we'll need to find a tropical ocean for that first, as it is quite necessary for it. Um, hmm. Also would like to make a mine shaft at my house, like a proper elevator too. Fast probably as well. I've made plenty of flying machine platform elevators, but they are rather slow. They're good for getting a lot of stuff up and down if you build them right, as they can take rails for minecarts, but otherwise it's just slow for one person. Bubble elevator, yeah, actually no. Bubble elevator is probably what we want to do. Now, oh, where did all of my... Must have turned it all into torches. Oh, perhaps I should have been more wise with my torches then. And we actually we should take this redstone and just make it into blocks. Go. Saves us one slot. Or a stack, I guess. Now from here, what can we do? We could add a second floor to the house. Probably around here. At this point, I'd be building just for the sake of building, but it's something to do. Some ladders. Alright. Let's use this stuff. Or actually... Now... Oh. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, not what I want to do. Actually, yeah. Will witness my idea in action. So... Although... Do I have any cobblestone? Actually, don't want to use cobblestone for this. Let's do deep slate, maybe tile. Alright. Oh, I didn't consider. Alright, that's fine. We'll just do it like that. Have any slabs? Any more slabs? We do. Yes. And then, oh, no, I need more cobblestone slabs for this, but that's fine. Well, this is going to be quite small. I don't even have enough deep slate to finish this off. Great. Okay. Lovely. Uh, I should, food in this one. Actually, there we go. Okay, that's done, so we can go with the gold next. There we go. Now, I want this to go 3 up. And then, let's see. We'll need some more stone, I do suppose. We could use just regular old, I don't know, cobble. For some reason, I didn't mine any. I need to go back down and find some. Hey, creeper. How do you do? Simpler than just, I don't know, whatever. Now it's going to be rather difficult to get back up. Or at least annoying. There we go. Wonder how half decent this is going to look. Darn. Mm. Mm. Oh. Hmm. Oh, not good at all. Maybe if I just... Yeah, let's change that. The capstones on the side there. I'm just calling them capstones because I don't really have a better idea. Would be different. In fact, be like that. Different stone. I think we should head to the nether and get some basalt. That's what we should do. I'm gonna go get that other chest and just delete it and put it in there. There we go. Let's put this right here. Okay. Let's go get the rest of the nonsense that was left up here. And the site. Or site. So much more fun to say. I should go get my bucket of water. I should go get water, put it in my bucket. Or find water and put it in my bucket would appear so. Usually around my base there'll be a lava pool or two. Sometimes an underground one that'll just be bubbling like that zombie over there, but it's never a guarantee. Was my spawn. Oh, lava over there. There we are. Now we must be wise as to not burn ourselves to death. Here we go. Obsidian is nice though for several reasons. I believe we came from this direction. Mm, that's the snow biome over there. Where in the heck are we? Work is unclean, but Allah would not want me to starve, so I accept these tapeworms with grace. Lightning will probably strike me down. Ooh, I didn't know they had new cows. Coward cows. Come on, just. Where's the last one? There you are. This is not a vegan channel. Just letting you guys know. Now, because of our sin of eating pork, we must make amends. A small shrine. And we leave that there for the gods. A normal conservative Minecraft cow. There is absolutely no wokeness this cow or of its design. It is perfect, family friendly, unaltered in any way. That is, I mean, that is a more piggish pig. Yeah, whatever. Usually I have a good sense of direction, but today it seems to be otherwise. I think I saw water. Yeah, there we go. Free at last. Put these on either side. Maybe they'll spawn fireflies or something. Oh no 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 no. Now, hold on. Forgot what this looked like. All right, yeah. All right. And yeah. Oh, what would be a dispenser would go like right there. Not using any specific design, by the way. I'm just mostly making this crap up, which is fine. Oh dear. Okay, no, 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 no. This is fine. That went straight in there, didn't it? Yep. Okay. Oh, go. Now, our egglers go in there. Dispenser goes in there. We need lava in there, and let me go get some glass. Alright. Where's the rest of my eggs? There we go. Let's go get another background block. Like one, I guess. Again, not planning on making this elegant or eloquent, which probably mean the same thing. Just nice enough. So, oh, actually, I think technically, I don't think dispensers count as a full block, so we can put that there. Alright. Um, okay, that kind of needed itself in. I'm just gonna. Oh, what the heck? Chicken surprise. Oh. Oh. That's probably, you know what, I'm just gonna go to the top of this and throw more in, but crazy chickens. I'll probably just leave that then. You should find a better way of doing that. Those will grow up and there'll have to be lava there. Yeah. So I'll go get the lava right now, actually, after I sleep. I'm an idiot for not bringing torches and food into this cave. Oh. Probably destroyed some of my loot. Oh dear. Whatever. Wait, do I have torches? Cool. Just make you. There we go. Okay. Okay. Looks like most of my stuff survived, at least get out of my way. No time for caution. There we go. Yeah, it looks like pretty much all my stuff survived. Doop 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 doop. There we go. Protection. These are all protection. Projectile. Oh. Oh, I lost all my levels, right? Whatever. Oh. Blue speedrunner. Wordle. Absolutely zero thought given into it. Let's go. Please don't insta kill me. I don't think it's possible. Okay. Now we simply need to find lava in the safest. What the heck? That's cheap. That is cheap. That's cheap. That is cheap. Cheap, 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 cheap. That is cheap. Cheap, cheap. That is that is the worst outcome that could have happened. Okay. Oh, dispenser survived. Wonderful. Okay, oh, there's redstone over here. Oh, perfect. And then up here. Just get everything we can. It's nice that that diamond pick survived. Now I have 2 picks. And some backup stuff as well. Okay, we're gonna get revenge on this lava source. Oh, frick. Never mind. New contender. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now. So. Okay. Now anytime these chickens lay an egg, that'll go in. But we need a way to turn this machine on and off just for it to be convenient, so there we go. That way eggs can be we kind of need to stock up our chickens a little bit. Thank you guys for watching if you've stuck around for this long, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification, which will only be notified biannually, as I don't really post that much. And have a nice day.